Have you ever stopped to think about how your computer knows who is allowed to open a document, make changes to a photo, or even start a program? It is not magic. There is a precise system in place that governs these actions, ensuring your digital world operates smoothly and securely. At the core of this system are what we call read, write, and execute permissions. These are the fundamental controls in nearly every operating system, dictating exactly what a user or a program can do with a specific file or folder. They are your operating system's gatekeepers, deciding who gets access and what kind of actions they can perform. Let us break down these three crucial permissions. First, read permission. This simply means you can view the contents of a file or list the contents of a directory. Think of it like looking at a book. You can see every page, but you cannot change any of the words. For a file, read allows you to open it and see what is inside. For a folder, it means you can see the names of the files and subfolders within it. Next, we have write permission. This is much more powerful. Write permission allows you to modify the contents of a file, save changes, or even delete the file entirely. If you have write access to a folder, you can create new files within it, delete existing ones, or renames them. It is like being able to rewrite passages in that book or add new chapters. Finally, execute permission. This one is vital for running programs and scripts. If a file is a program, execute permission allows you to launch it and make it run. For folders, execute permission means you can actually enter or traverse that directory. Without it, even if you can see the folder's contents, you cannot open anything inside it or navigate into it, which can be surprisingly restrictive. Your operating system provides straightforward ways to manage these permissions. On many systems, you can simply write, click on a file or folder, go to its Properties or Information panel, and find a section dedicated to permissions. Here, you will see who has what level of access. For more advanced users or in certain operating systems like Linux, command line tools offer fine-grained control, allowing you to set these permissions with specific commands. The key is knowing they exist and that you have control over them. What is truly fascinating is how operating systems apply these permissions. They typically categorize users into three main groups: the owner of the file or folder, a designated group of users, and others, which covers everyone else. This layered approach ensures that you, as the owner, have maximum control, while specific teams or individuals can share access through groups, and the general public might have limited or no access. It is a powerful system designed to maintain both collaboration and security simultaneously. Understanding read, write, and execute permissions gives you a significant advantage in managing your digital environment. It empowers you to protect your sensitive data from unauthorized changes, control who can access your important documents, and ensure that your applications run as intended. By mastering these basic controls, you gain better security, privacy, and overall control over your operating system.